In this video, I will show you how to change password in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now to change your passwords, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then click onto Settings. Now if you don't see the Settings app here, you can use the search box at the top, type Settings, and then open up your settings underneath Best Match. Once you've opened up your settings, come across this menu on the left hand side and click onto Accounts. From here, what you need to do is scroll down the page and you're going to see a sign in option section underneath the account settings section. Give this a click, and in this next screen you're going to see the option for your password here. So you just want to give this a click, and then you're going to see an option which says change. So just click the change button. At this point it's going to ask you to enter your current password. Once you've done that, come down and click onto next, and then what you can do is enter your new password. Once you've done that, make sure to confirm your password in the second box, and then you want to add a password hint. You do need to fill in this box, so you can put whatever you want to help you remember your password. In this video, I'm just going to go ahead and type example, and once you've done that, just come down and click next at the bottom. Once you've done this, you're going to get a confirmation. As you can see, it says next time you sign in, use your new password. So your new password does take effect straight away. As soon as you sign out and sign back in, you'll be asked to enter your new password. So all you need to do now is click finish. And just like that, we've gone ahead and changed our password. So that is how to change password in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.